Alright, hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to connect to the internet using any modern tablet, alright, or of course any Chinese tablet, alright. So this is my device right here. Now you have two options. You can go to settings, and of course once you're in settings, it's the first option that says network internet. Alright, so once you're here, you can tap on internet, and of course it will scan the available devices, and of course it will show what you're connected to already, and of course it will show available wide area networks. All right, so it's quite easy. All right, so just in case you want a shorter version to get here, you can go to the top of the screen, you can swipe down, and once you swipe down, you can go ahead and long press on the internet or tap the text. All right, so I'll tap. It will then take you to the same screen right here. If Wi-Fi is off, for example, here, go ahead and turn it on. All right, so once you do, tap the internet connection. It will ask for the password. You can ask to show the password. I'm going to enter the password here. Make sure you know the connection password. So I'm going to enter it here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so once you finish that, go ahead and hit connect. And there you go. It did its thing and it says connected. All right, so that's how to connect to the network. You can see the status. So in this particular case, this network is just for demonstration, but you get the idea. You should be connected. All right, so that's a demonstration network. It should be connected and you should be able to browse. All right, so that's how you connect one of these to the internet. All right, so see you in the next one, guys. Bye.